Hi, this is Anna with WTI. These magnetic tiles from Jasonwell have been truly a lifesaver. They have given my son hours of quiet play while I have been under the weather. They come as a 108-piece set in a box with colors that are blue, yellow, green, red, purple, and orange. They would be great for kids ages 3 and up, as there's no small pieces. They are shapes that really build well together, and they will help develop kids' motor skills. And they will really use their imagination because the designs are endless. And the best part is that they are durable and safe. So for you moms that want some quiet time, or like me, under the weather, these magnetic tiles from Jasonwell are truly a great investment. And that's my point of view.